Good morning, friends. This is Sri Harsha from Crazy Money with Sri, and today is 22nd of September. And before market happens, what will happen for today? I'll be actually telling you about this. So, if you're not a part of my YouTube channel, just go ahead and click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon so that you will get all the latest updates. And if you're not a part of my Telegram group, it is with the same name, Crazy Money with Sri. Go ahead and search for it and join that. Okay, let's get started. Let's understand what happened yesterday and how and what you need to do today. As I was telling you yesterday, market is about to crash, and that's exactly happened yesterday. And probably this will continue. This is not the end of it. This is just the beginning of it. We have taken support at 11,300 range where there was a gap earlier in the Nifty, but I don't see that this is going to hold on. It may actually just try to hold temporarily, but the strength is going to further deteriorate, mainly because banks, as I said, have come into the bear market. So the bank Nifty is going to actually pull the Nifty down to a very large extent. And yesterday you could see almost all the high beta stocks have also deteriorated quite a lot. And even the pharma stocks yesterday were quite weak. Now probably even the IT stocks will start coming into this weakness. So almost every other sector is trying to actually get into a correction mode because there's a lot of profit booking which is happening, plus actually shorts are also getting built up. The volumes are actually picking up quite a lot, so the panic is going to happen mainly due to the expectation that the lockdown is going to happen again. The cases are increasing, plus there are many other uh, uh, news which will start coming here and there. So overall actually market sentiments have actually gone quite bad, and whenever the sentiments go wrong and there's a lot of panic in the market, it's very difficult for the market to sustain. So probably 11,000 or 10,900 is a place where we could take support. For this expiry, probably we will still try to hold on to 11,000. And see, the only challenge with this is uh, if you actually try to short at the lower level, there could be a good amount of bounce back which also can come. So only try to short at the higher level. Don't try to short anywhere in midway, so that will be a little dangerous. Now yesterday if you see, the European markets actually went down quite a lot, almost around 4-5% actually. The European markets have gone down. US market also have actually gone down. If you look at the indices, S&P, Dow Jones and Nasdaq, all of them actually went down almost 2 to 3%. But the only thing what has happened yesterday is, by the end of the day, Nasdaq has tried actually recovering, and it was almost able to recover most of it. Now Nasdaq probably can give some amount of relief rally, but will it be able to sustain is a question which is there, because it has tried taking some support, and there is some amount of pullback which probably can come in the Nasdaq stock for today. But in the morning for us, the sentiments are quite bad, and I am not very sure about holding this particular level of 11,200 250, only because of the gap which we are trying to hold. This may actually deteriorate quite a lot, and European markets, I don't see any reason for them to actually sustain the market. It's only the US market, probably because of the Nasdaq giving support. Some amount of relief rally can happen in the evening. So the main thing what I see is we are still in the sell on rally mode, and we need to actually look at selling on rally. If by a chance we actually open gap down, we can actually exit once and wait for market to move up, and then probably we can look at shorting. If we are actually opening flat or a little positive, just hold on to it. Probably market will not be able to sustain these levels, and again it will get into a selling mode. So the sentiment and the objective is still be sell on rallies. So the support probably will be at 11,300. Support will be around 11,000 levels, 11,000, 11,050 levels, and the resistance will be around 11,300, 11,350 levels. So guys, if you liked this video, please actually, if you have actually liked the content, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit on the bell icon. And if you are not part of a Telegram channel, go ahead and subscribe for the Telegram channel, Crazy Money with Tree, and share it with everyone. Thank you very much. Have a great and wonderful day. Have a profitable day. Thank you very much.